Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video we are going to discuss about another sonarqube static code analyzer rule which is related to the Boolean literals. So in earlier video we discussed about the literals and their type of literals. Even we cover the string literal in details. But in today's video we are going to cover the Boolean literals and we will check this practically with the sonarqube cloud as well as using the GitHub actions. So without wasting any time, let's begin it. Before to start, there are some prerequisites. The first one is you must have a GitHub account. Second one, that GitHub account has at least one repository which is created by using the C# programming language, because in this video we are going to discuss about the C# only. No, we are not covering any other programming language static analyzing rules. And third one, you must have a basic knowledge of C# programming. So as per the prerequisite, I have already a GitHub account with a sample GitHub repository that is also linked with the sonarqube, but I will show you later on again. And here is the GitHub action also created related to this sample repository, which is linked with this Sonar cloud. Okay, and here is the sample PR which is already opened for the testing purpose. And if you notice, like, the build is getting failed, and reason is like there is the 4 code smells, and the Sonar cloud give it a B category, like there is some major issue, kind of, not that much, but the code is not under the A category, it is still in category B, so we need to fix it. And the code coverage, as there is no any test case, that's why it is 0 and it's showing red here. And the repository perspective, I will show you it in Visual Studio. So this is the repository which is already cloned on my local system, and this is the code which is related to this Boolean literals. If you notice, like here we use the 3 Boolean literal, 2 here and third one is here, which is hard coded. As per the Sonar rules, these are not compliant, these are the redundant. There is no need to this literal to hard code here and check the Boolean method value against it. So now navigate on the Sonar cloud environment. So I have already a Sonar cloud account, but currently I am not logged in. If you want to integrate this Sonar cloud with your GitHub repository, just you need to follow the step as given here. You can start from here by clicking on this GitHub and integrate your GitHub repository accordingly. But I have already linked it. I'm just going to log in again. Again, it will ask how you want to log in, by using GitLab, Azure, Bitbucket or GitHub, because I have already linked it with my GitHub account. So I will click on this GitHub. So it will show you the all projects which are linked with the Sonar cloud. There are 2 projects which are linked, but we are working on this one. I will click on this one. So for this, there are some failure and PRs are already opened. I will open the PR, this one, and it is failing, as we saw the same comments on the PR as well. So there are some code smells. As we know that the Sonar cloud will handle multiple things or find out the multiple code issue, like the security hotspot and vulnerability, reliability, code coverage, code duplication, and the code smells. So in this video we are just focusing on the code smells, so we will not focusing on the other things. So let's click on the number of the code smells. It will show you the details of all of them. And there are some other code smells which is may be related to this actually completely related to the same code, but they fall under the different code smells. If you notice, like they hide the public constructor by making it protected if it is not used. And but in this video we are just focusing on the Boolean literal, so let's click on the Boolean related code smells. So there are two Boolean related code smells. Let's click on the first one, and it will show here like this is not expected. And if you want to see the what is the actual issue, then you click on this one, why is this an issue, and it will show you here in this console window like redundant Boolean literal should be removed from expression to improve readability. So here are the examples which are not compliant, and here is the solution. Okay, so in this video we are going to fix these issue which is already reproduced here, and this is the another one, but we are not going to modify this in this video. We are focusing only on this two literals issue. Okay, so let's jump into the Visual Studio to fix it. Remove this comment as well. Okay, let's build it to ensure like there is no any build related issue. Okay, build succeeded. Now move on. So let's commit this code on the GitHub to check the okay, let's push on the GitHub repository. So as we discussed, it will re-trigger a build again, and we will check it under this GitHub action. It is currently running. For more detail you can click on this build, it will show you. But as we discussed, like it will take around 2 to 3 minutes, so I am going to pause this video to keep the video short. So now the execution has been completed. If you notice, the all steps are done, but let's see what is the result. Okay, the build are still getting failed, but it is due to the code coverage, because there is no any code coverage. It is showing red here. And if you notice, like there are still two code smells, but the category has been changed. Now earlier the category was B, now it is A. So let's see. The one is related to the constructor and another one is related to the constant. Thank you guys. Thank you to watch it. We will meet again in the next video. Bye.